folks, today we're out here with my Henry I've had for years. Well, I haven't had it for years. I just bought it. In fact, I just bought it today. So I guess I need to take these tags off. This is the Henry 22 caliber. Sorry folks, I'm so intertwined with this stuff. This is a 22 caliber lever action rifle from Henry. As you can see, I just recently purchased it. In fact, I just purchased it a couple hours ago, and I couldn't wait to get out here and give it a try. Let me give you some of the specifics on this while I'm taking this off. It has a walnut stock. It has a 3/8 inch grooved receiver, so we can scope this if we want to up on top. It has an 18 1/4 inch long barrel. The overall length of this is 36 1/4 inches long. The overall weight is about 5 1/4. And it will hold 15 long rifles, 17 longs, or 21 short on ammo wise. It has, as you can see, it has a hooded front sight, adjustable back sight, so we can kind of adjust it, and has a 1 16 twist. And if I can get this last one off, we'll look at it good. But as you can see, it's just a regular lever action, little old 22. Kind of fun to shoot so far. Let's go ahead and load it up. We're just using, since 22 is kind of back, I did find some 22 Thunderbolts, the Remington, the 500 count box for about a nickel a piece, like $25 at Walmart. So let's go ahead and load this thing up with some long rifle, get you back out on target, and we'll empty out some more. It has, just like most 22s, where you load them here in the bottom. We'll just fill this thing up. Okay, I've got a couple of Coke bottles out there. Let's give them a shot and see if I can hit them with this. I'm going to go back to the paper target and finish them up. Well, there you go. Just a little short review on the Henry lever action. As you can see, I have probably shot now probably about 35 rounds through it. This came out of the box. I haven't adjusted the sight. You can see I was on target on the two Coke bottles. I mean, I'm shooting kind of fast on the paper targets. You can see that it's smooth. It's working really well. And as I say, this is a brand new, uncleaned gun. So kind of show you how good the action on it is. As I say, I really hoping to enjoy this little gun. It should be a good little critter getter, and just a heck of a lot of fun to shoot. So get out and do some shooting, and have a wonderful day.